Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves, because what you're about to witness is not just a car mod. Oh no. This is a full-blown intergalactic invasion of style, aggression, and jaw-dropping imagination. Meet the Zacoe Galaxy WideBody McLaren 720S, a machine so wild, it looks like it crash-landed straight out of a science fiction epic, and brought its own gravitational field of cool. This isn't your regular McLaren. No, sir. This is a cosmic rebellion against ordinary supercar tuning. Built by Zacoe Performance, the mad geniuses behind some of the craziest aero kits on the planet, and designed with help from CGI wizards who clearly don't play by Earth rules. What you're seeing is not a Photoshop fantasy. This is a real upcoming wide-body kit with open-channel design, mutant flared fenders, and a vibe that screams Pagani meets Koenigsegg in the Twilight Zone. The front fenders have top gills like a shark. The rears, they merge into the freaking wing. It's not just wide, it's outrageously sculpted like it was born in a wind tunnel on Mars. And the wheels? Oh, you're not ready for this. Zacoe didn't just pick fancy rims, they went full mad scientist. One side has MVF orged wheels, the other, AL13 wheels. Different brands, on each side. Why? Because conformity is dead, and this car came to make a statement. Let's not forget, the McLaren 720S is already a beast. Launched in 2017 with a 710 horsepower twin-turbo V8, butterfly doors, active suspension, and a carbon monocoque. It was born to fly low and fast, but Zacoe just gave it a second life. No, an extraterrestrial upgrade. Finished in stealth satin gray with just a flick of orange on the calipers, this thing doesn't drive. It haunts highways. It doesn't roar. It whispers danger. So the question is, are you even ready for this galaxy-bending wide-body future? Or will you just stand there, drooling like the rest of us? Subscribe now. Because Earth cars are cool, but this is from another planet.